In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders and deadlines in Dropbox Sign. By the end, you'll know how to upload your document, add signers, place form fields, and set a clear deadline so everyone signs on time. Start by opening your browser and searching for Dropbox Sign. When the results appear, click the official Dropbox Sign link. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the secure site indicator in your browser and the familiar Dropbox Sign branding. Go ahead and log into your account. Use your usual sign-in method, and once you're in, you'll land on the home page. From here, upload the document you want signed. You can simply drag and drop the file onto the page, or click the upload button and choose the document from your computer. Give it a moment to process, especially if the file is large. When the new page loads, add the people who need to sign. Click the Add Signer button as many times as needed until every participant is listed. Double-check their email addresses and, if you rely on a specific signing order, make sure the order reflects how you want the document to move through signers. You'll then arrive at the preparation screen where you can place fields on the document. Click and drag the fields you need, such as signature blocks, date fields, text boxes, or checkboxes, onto the exact spots where they belong. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct signer. Color indicators or labels typically show which fields belong to whom. Zoom in, if necessary for precise placement, and align fields so the final document looks clean and professional. When everything looks right, click. Next to move to Review and Send. Here's where you'll set the deadline. Check the option labeled Set Expiration Date and Time. This creates a firm cutoff after which the request expires. Next, choose your exact date and time. Pay attention to the time zone displayed below the date picker. It reflects your account's time zone, so choose a time that works for your signers. If your recipients are in different regions, consider allowing extra time to account for their local hours. With your deadline set, click Send for signature. Your signers will receive the request by email, and depending on your account settings, they'll get reminder notifications leading up to the deadline. You can monitor the progress from your dashboard and see who has signed and who's still pending. That's all there is to it. Upload, add signers, place fields, set the expiration, and send.